Yes, people of Abia State and Nigerians in general, please, I want you to listen to this man, this useless man. They call Orji Kano. He keeps saying that Tinubu is his friend and friends of other governors and other politicians in the East. But his brother, Nnamdi Kanu, is in detention. So your brother is in detention and president is your friend. And many people have gone to beg him to release your brother, which I believe from every indication, you have hands in Nnamdi Kanu being in detention. That's all I'm going to say. But I will come back after people must have listened to the trash you want to say. You want to win Abia State, APC, over to Mr. President. Is your friend. Listen, just listen to him, then I come back and analyze.
Party to be very strong and speak very loudly in our state. We'll be very thankful to people of our state to repose the confidence. They know I was a very good governor, and they know that I'm also a very good senator, that I can never deceive people of our state. I'm committed to whatever we want to do. And whoever we present as candidates in the elections, from the House of Assembly to the presidency, they will know it to be credible.
But you are not in charge in Anambra. You are not in charge in Abia State for now, sir.
I'm very in charge.
Labour Party is in charge. So how do you intend to overcome this power of incumbency?
No. I don't want to talk about Labour Party. I want to talk about APC. The governor of Abia is my friend.
Okay, you have listened to this this man. I say he's a useless man. Orji Kano. You have heard what he said and what Mr. President told him. According to him, if you live in Nigeria or you live outside Nigeria, from all what you have seen, it is very practical what Dr. Alex Otti is doing in Abia State and what he has done already. You will agree with me that Abia State has moved from being a laughing stock to something to be reckoned with. But it seems Orji Kano and his president are not happy the peace the Abians are having in their own state. Abia State is a state in Igbo land, and Mr. President is a Yoruba man. You see, this model of politics they keep practicing in Nigeria is not helping anyone. As you all know, Orji Kano ruled the state for 8 years. As much as he stayed for 8 years, he could not fix the road, he could not build an airport. There were no infrastructures. He didn't build anyone. No light, no good roads. Education is zero. No medical. And after that, he always claimed that he has done this, he has done that. I want him, if he's watching me and if he has seen this video, I want Orji Kano to show us what he did for Abians. Now, the funny thing is that this man, he continues to join his cohort, the criminals, to play dirty politics. Now, he wants to bring Abia State to belong to APC, useless APC that is killing people. APC that has condemned the country. The country cannot move forward. The country is already rotten. Now, Mr. President wants to use him. Already, it's a stooge. They keep using him. Now they want to rope him in to use him so that he will go and capture Abia State. What qualities do you have? What have you done that people will follow you in your state called Abia State? Who is going to join you? You stayed 8 years, you couldn't do anything. Mr. President Tinubu is a terrible government. He's not doing anything. People are dying, people are hungry, no jobs, nothing is going on. And he wants to use you now to rig Abia State to APC. When you know the man that is in charge from Labour Party is doing everything and people are happy with him. In fact, The place has turned out to become a place like no other place in that country. Now, Mr. President, a Yoruba man, is coming to tell you that he doesn't like what good thing that has happened to Abia State. He now wants you to use you to destroy Abia State. And people are listening to you. People who are useless like you are listening to you. What can you possibly do, Orji Okano? Is there anything you can do that you never did under 8 years? Why must you listen to a Yoruba man coming to tell you to capture a state for him? What does he want? He's a president already. What has he done? Being a president, what has he achieved as a president? Nothing. Nothing to write home about. Now he wants to use you to come and destroy your own state that you couldn't even maintain. You ruled for 8 years. You now became a godfather to Ibazu, a godfather to Orji, and you people completed the state, destroyed the state, and till that time, until until Alex Oti took over the place became alive again. And now your Mr. President want to use you to come and destroy Abia State because he want to rig again to capture Abia State that he couldn't win. He never won Lagos State. He never won Abuja. He didn't win Rivers. Where is he gonna? What does he have to show to make people even believe in him? Nothing. Everywhere is highly agitated. Everybody is hungry. Nobody likes him. Nobody will ever vote him. Even if he come 10 times, nobody will vote him. The only way he can be in that position is by rigging. That's the only way he can be in that position. Without rigging, he can never win any place. Even in his local government, he cannot win. So that is what I'm saying. Anyone that knows that Orji Okano should warn him. People should rally around and chase him out of Abia State. If it is possible, chase him out of the place because he's a parasite. He's a parasite. In fact, it's a kind of, it's a disease, it's a virus. He should be chased out of Abia State because what he's planning to do now is to capture Abia State to become APC. Is it party that is developing the country or human being? Alex Oti came and he has developed the look at where people live. You take a look, you look where people live, everywhere is clean. Everywhere is clean. Everywhere is clean. You served Abia for 8 years. Nothing to show, nothing to write home about. Now you want to join them and capture Abia State. Mr. President is telling you that Mr. President doesn't like that Alex Oti put electricity for his people. Tinubu does not like that Mr. Alex Oti is building roads. Tinubu does not like that Alex Oti has made light a constant in Abia State. Tinubu does not like that Mr. Alex Oti is building airport for his people. Tinubu does not like that the shops are working and that the area market has been renewed to, brought back to his old glory. Mr. President doesn't like it. He wants a place that is not working. That's why he said he doesn't like what is happening in Abia State. But I bet you, no Abian, no Igbo Abian man will ever vote for Tinubu in Abia State. It is not done. You people can do all your political rigmaroling, do all your political jingoism, do all your political mago-mago, do all your malpractices. Abia State is not for any Yoruba person. You understand? So he has done enough to stop coming to Abia State. Let him go and marry Orji Okano, Hope Uzodinma, those ones are stooge already. Orji Okano, he can win in his local government because he's going to rig it. Nobody will ever vote him. So those places are the places you can go and capture, not Abia State. Abia State is for Igbo people. You understand? Until you capture someone who's going to sell out. We don't have sellout like Orji Okano is a big sellout. And we don't need him. We don't need him in Abia State. Please, Abia State people, like I said, rally around and chase this animal out of Abia State. He's nobody. He's nobody. He's simply a stooge. That was how he gave out Lokmanta to Fulani people. This is exactly what he wants to come and do again. But he will be stopped this time around. This is all I have for you. Thank you for listening and thank you for watching. You can also share this. Let Abians see it, or even Orji Okano himself, or even Mr. Tinubu. It's not a problem. Let everybody see it. I'm out of here. Thank you.